Hey, how's it going? Today we will be decoding a master lock combination lock 643D. This one right now has a code of 587. Let me get the light adjusted. .587 is the code. How these work is we have 87 down here, and these will move. Let me actually do one of these wheels down here. So up here, this wheel moves a lot. This wheel doesn't move a ton, but it does move. That wheel right there moves not a lot at all. Compared to that, that's a true gate. So this right here is a true gate. That right there is a false gate. True gate, false gate. And then if you notice, if I move that one over and I do that one down, that one's the exact same way, but if I bring it back to there, it's not as clicky. That one, that one. Now look at it. And so that's how you decode these, is you pretty much look for that exactly right there, and then it unlocks. So that's what I'm going to be trying to do. So I will take this for right now. I'll turn it this way so I can't see anything. Should be good enough. Make sure everything is seated properly. Take it out like that, do that. And now I can take it back and do that. All right. So, first thing you do is you hook your finger in here. I like to use my middle finger and my thumb and push down. Don't really pull on it. You can. It's just gonna make it harder on your fingers. I typically just kind of rest my fingers here and kind of push in just a tad bit and kind of feel for what is and isn't a false gate and a true gate. So far it seems like this one down here is binding. It feels like it doesn't really want to move. So I'm going to move this one first. This one also feels like it's really seated. One actually might be the true gate for wheel number 1. I think 5 might be the one for number 2. And I was right. So our code ended up being 158. That's what our code was. So that's how you decode a one of these tiny master lock wheel combination locks. You can do this exact similar method to any lock that kind of looks like this, is what I've found, but not always. Just varies from lock to lock. This is one of the easiest ways to do it. There's also a paper clip method that you can find where you take like a, I don't have a paper clip right now, but you can stick a paper clip down the reset hole right here, match up all of these gates, and if you match them up just right, you can turn over every single